Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll be sharing with you all the recipe of Keema samosas, and we'll also be showing you that how you can fold the samosas by using spring roll sheets. So let's start. We will start by sauteing the onions first. Once they turn transparent, we are going to add the mince. Here we are using beef. You can either use chicken or mutton as well. After frying for a bit, we are going to add ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and we'll stir fry for a bit again. After seasoning the mince, we're going to stir it and we'll add a bit of water so that it's cooked easily. We're also going to stick a lid on and we'll let it cook for some time over medium heat. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove the lid and we'll add some frozen peas. This part is optional. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, you can totally skip this part. We will again cover the pot and we'll let the peas cook along with the mince. We won't need to add any water. We will again check after 10 minutes. Please make sure that the pot was again over low medium heat. Now the peas have been cooked. We are adding some chopped onions, some green coriander which is chopped as well, and some dried fenugreek leaves. We will mix and let the mince cool down completely before we start folding our samosas. We are going to make our samosas by using spring rolls sheet. It is easily available in the market, and we'll also be needing some paste which is made by using flour and water. It will be used as a sealant. So I hope that you will be easily able to understand the way I am folding. I've folded the sheet into half and then I'm going to turn it like so, and then we'll turn it again so that it's formed into a shape of a cone. I'm going to hold it in my hand like this and we'll start filling. Now the amount of filling is according to your own will and choice, but please don't overfill it, otherwise the samosa is going to tear. Now we are using the paste as a sealant and we are joining all the open corners so that the samosa is joined and none of the corners are open, otherwise the oil is going to go in. I'm going to make a few more so that you can easily understand the whole process. This folding technique I have discovered it myself and I really like it and wanted to show because at many places some people are not able to get hold of the regular samosa sheet, and if you can easily find it then you can use it by all means, but this is something different, so I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys are going to like it. Now this tray is ready to go into the freezer, and once frozen we are going to pack them again in the freezer friendly bags and we'll be enjoying all throughout the month of Ramadan. Just take them out from the freezer and put them directly into the hot oil to fry them and enjoy at the time of Iftaar, inshallah. That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try and will leave feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. Shall be seeing you guys again with more of my Ramadan recipes. In the meantime, please take good care of yourself and of your loved ones and stay home, stay safe. Happy Ramadan to you all. Allah Hafiz. Bye for now.